Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chef Raphael, a show that is meant to make you a better home cook using everyday ingredients. Make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel so that you actually see all the recipes that I have. I'm making a French toast, at least my version of it. We also call it here in Kenya toast Mayai. Now we need eggs. I have 3 eggs already cracked here. We need some sugar. Now sugar is optional. Some cinnamon powder, some milk, and margarine for cooking. Whenever you have bread that is old or almost going bad for that matter, this is the perfect recipe to use. What I want with this recipe is to get the sweetness. That's why I have some sugar, and I'll add about 1 teaspoon of sugar and a generous amount of cinnamon powder. Again, this is optional. Now the secret when you're doing it with cinnamon is whisk it completely, because if you use, let's say, a fork, well, what will happen is that the cinnamon will not break down and get completely mixed into the eggs. You add some milk. What milk does, first of all, is it increases the volume of the mixture, but it also makes it light. That's what you want. And then even you smell it, it actually smells nice. So that is ready. So all you need now to do is to soak the bread. Soak it on both sides. Now I have seen it being made different ways, whereby sometimes you soak it until it's completely soaked. Myself, I don't like it that way. I just like to dip on both sides like that. You can use cooking oil, but I prefer using margarine because margarine has some extra flavor. So with a hot pan, and not too hot, melt your butter or margarine. So my pan can fit about 3 pieces. So the idea is to make sure that they are evenly cooking, not too high heat, because what will happen is that the bread will cook on the outside and not cook on the inside. And then the other thing of soaking it too long in the egg mixture is that it will soak in too much and then it will not be able to cook on the inside. If you're using oil, which is completely okay, what happens is that the bread will tend to be more whitish, like not having a brown color. Now for the second side, you actually also need to put slightly more margarine or oil. And then spread the bread until each piece of bread has oil touching. Be careful with the heat, and you reduce the heat if you feel it's cooking too fast than it should. When it comes to serving it, you can have it plain as it is right now, or with some fruit, because remember we added some sugar in this. When you have it with some fruits, whether it's some strawberries, some bananas, it will be very nice. But most importantly, like I said, it's a good solution when you have old bread and you want to get rid of it and in a nice and enjoy it at the same time.